अस्तित्वात नाशिल्ल्या 9,525 गिरायकांची 12 कोटींची वीज बिलाची थकबाकी माफ केल्या अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिली। बिरेस्तारा मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसके उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो। हेरूय मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेत महत्वाचे निर्णय जाले।
Then water supply billing जे असले पयनी accord for the approval it is an on the spot billing ताका आमी continuation दिता cyber cat technology एका ते billing continuously ते करीत आसा आमचे old continuation for 1 year. It is an old non-existing consumer record system in the current SAP billing system at nullification for the areas amounting rupees 12 crores. हे existing उत ना अशा लोकांक हे माफ केल्ले बिल. Electricity. One post in the consultant in the anesthesia department in the plastic surgery on the contract basis in Goa Medical College. Allotment of the land of the 2,729 from the WRD department to the Jyoti School of the Children with the Autism, Davarli Salsedanga sir, for the 40 years lease. Autism children खातीर आमी normal rate इतनी land lease दिता. Finalization of the sanction strength of the library staff in the government degree colleges and polytechnic. Common cadre for the group C and D employees under the collector north, collector south and collector and Kushavati district. It is in procurement of the land in front of our ITI 7,922 कुडचड्या काकोड्या ITI च्या समोरची land आमका वचपा खातीर ते प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो म्हणून ती परचेज केल्या आमी. Two posts of the assistant professor in physiotherapy in allied health science course in the department of orthopedic surgery on the contract basis in the Goa Medical College. Reservation and recruitment related economically weaker section EWS category from the director of the social welfare to the department of the personal was subject पयली social welfare कडे आशिल्लो तो आता personal department कडे गेलो.